Yes, massive. Wagwan, blessed love, and welcome to the channel. Hope say everyone is doing well. You see me, I say? And we just want to wish all of the one them a blessed and positive 2024. Seeing? I'm hope say everything positive, what the ones them hope for, it forward. Seeing? But you have to live it. Yes, what I say? Live it. Yeah, well. Anything where you want forward in a life, in a one positive way, live the positive way there. You see it? And get the vibration there. Come forward. Straight in the full circle. You see me I say? Straight in the full circle. Yeah, so I say welcome to the ones them. You see me I say? Yeah man, all of the new subscriber them we want to say blessed love and welcome. You see me I say? And all the people them who they share the video and all of the ones them who they watch the video them. Yeah man, we want to say give thanks man. You see me I say? Much appreciated. You see me I say? So on a continue share the video and make on a friend them get involved see and wait man. You see me I say? And bring up the subscription and them kind of things and help grow the channel. You see it? So we want to say give thanks again. You see it? We not going like we're not grateful for all what we say are going. You see me I say? Yeah man, and we want to put out the positive vibration there, so you understand? All right, full forward. See? So yeah, we see Foota Hype come out, you know, and I'm try clear the ear. Foota Hype I say fully bother tell sound life on him. See? Cause in one of my previous video, seen. So if the eye them never see the video, they can go back go watch. You see it. So me when I say Foota Hype need to come clear up some of them things there. Seen, cause if you not clear up certain allegation, the allegation there somehow become, you understand, true in a some sense. Cause if it repeat itself all over the place and everybody I say the thing them what is being said and nobody don't hear anything from the other side, then it go left for people to speculate. See? And once people are speculate, people go spread rumors. You see me I say? So Fully Bad did come out and him say some things. And just to keep things in a context, we go play some of the things them where Fully Bad did say. See? And we go listen to what Foota Hype say for clear up them things and point out where him thinks Fully Bad I tell lie. See? So in the meantime, we are gonna watch some Fully Bad interview them. Just a few excerpts from some of the interview them. You see me I say? And then we go make Foota Hype say theme piece. See? And we just forward and we say what we have to say about the whole vibration. Yeah, so you know, make we just go and take in what Foota Hype say, you know. See? And we want to listen carefully, you know. See? Because it critical say we listen very carefully. Because you understand? Somebody a tell lie. We don't know who they tell a lie. Because this it leave more question than what answers we get.
What's popping? What's popping? You ready? Blessed love and a pleasant calendar year when it forward. Because your new year actually a birthday. You see me? So it's a calendar year we celebrate when January 1st, not your new year. So New Year's Day is actually there. So it's a calendar New Year you celebrate January 1st, not your real New Year. Anyway, when you know I'm come, set certain little things clear. Me know when you see over the whole, homeboy, the other one, me say I can just fin the same name. But I fully bad we attack. Nicholas Bad. Oh, he must spread the narrative say my bad mind, right? And me I fight him and me I try stop him career and all of the negatives way must say, right? Me did say me not gonna do this, but him kinda, I say some things me allow it, him I say some things me allow it, him I say some things me allow it. And then true me not say nothing now, it seems like way I say a true and him I go further with it and then it's a youth where I'm a youth. You see me I say? Even though all the way I go out now, I'm a youth. You see me? Fully, me hear my say, Coyote, I'm son. Fully am my son then. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a youth. And if anybody will know me, Zine, know say, me not try hurt, me and a friend killer, me not try hurt my friend them. Me not do that because my loyalty run deep. Zine? So, me like when people talk to me, but me not like liar. You see what I'm saying? And I can put Fully Body in one of the book now as one of the liest youth on earth. See? Now, I could touch the first topic of him saying my bad mind and may I fight him. See? One of you ask him if him not have a contractual agreement with Foota Hype where on pen and paper, one 360 airtight agreement with Foota Hype, right?
Yeah. You see right there, sir? I want serious part I think this with a point out. You see me I say? Remember what I'm saying, sir. Seeing? Them have a contractual agreement. Seeing? And the contract is a 360 airtight according to what I must say. Agreement. Seeing? That important. Seeing? So make we listen what I must say. Cause even before him goes, we make him go now further. We want the people them to understand say a 360 contract as a young artist, as an artist who not established, who is not established, are one of the most dodgy contract a young artist could have signed. Seen? And we go elaborate further down upon that. But remember we there so where he might talk about the 360 contract and that why I must say that so it's kinda critical, so you understand it's crucial for we pay attention.
Agreement with Foota Hype, right? Zimbabwe, where outside of the contract, him go sign another contract with Slow Motion them. And now him sign another contract with another set of people now. Now let's be realistic. Before people spew out about bad mind, them for learn the business. Now if me have a contractual arrangement and when you go sign to somebody else, me have 1 year and add left in the contract with you. If me want to fight you, me not have to quarrel with you. Me not have to load up and about that, it's in a traceness and one bag of man. All me have to do is just get a court order and take it to court and you can't do no show, you can't sell no merch, you can't do nothing without we conclude our business. If me a fight you. Because people take fight and we are intelligent beings. Me are intelligent person, me not stupid. So if me really a fight your youth, me not just call me liar. You see what I'm saying? Me could have just called me liar and do it, and me can do it anytime. Because when you sign a contract with the people and you still not buy me out on a contract.
All right. You see, why must about the 360 contract? You see, a contract like that, for people who don't understand it, see, it means you go invest in a one artist. It's almost like you people we understand how business work. See? So it's an investment him a deal with. And you see that the investment there for whatever period of time the contract there is for. Me not too sure because them never say how long that contract was for. You understand? Because some of them contract there, you know, it's so dodgy that them we have the youth signed to a contract where them bind to like, all right, for make it clearer, them have a certain what them call perpetuity. See, where Fully Bad can sign to Foota Hype music forever, for in lifetime. See, and him said the contract is airtight. See, so we don't know the full details of the contract. See, but what they must say right here, what he must say right here now is that the youth signed to Foota Hype music, see, and then him go sign to some other record label or whatever. See, him right when him say him could have used him lawyer for pull out some kind of injunction pan them moving forward. See, but watch you now. You see, for whatever duration that the contract there is, Foota Hype have certain obligations, same way too. See? Because the contract, it come with marketing, publishing, all of the revenue stream, what Fully Bad would have a percentage of that go to Foota Hype music. See? Me no know what percentage because them not say. As me say, them would have to come out back, come clear up all of them things here. You understand? How long the youth signed to you for and what you put forward. Because in order for you sign the contract there, for the youth, see? Or the youth sign a contract there to you, you would have to invest in the youth. See? So your obligation have to make sure say him get shows, he have merchandise out. All of them things because a year investment. See? This is what you go put out. So if let's say you put out $3 million for the 1 year there, you see it in a yourself because you have a kind of scrutinize the product before you put your money into it. And if you know say the product is good and it go take the market, you have to know how to market the product. See? So once you know how to market the product, you supposed to know how to navigate the ground to make sure so the youth get the show them the radio interviews, the all of the shebang for bring him out into the to break him out into the business. See? Then now you start to recoup your money while you invest in the youth. So all of what you would spend on the youth, you know, a part of your obligation, you know. See? And why me interject this because what would have caused the youth for jump ship, for go sign a next contract? You understand? Because members say the youth up on the ground and the youth are try navigating way through. The youth sign to you and him see say him thing stagnant. It they are one place. So it would have look like I say, you not do your job right still, you know. You not get what you supposed to get. You not get it done. I saw it would have look to me that's a differently still.
With the people, and you still, you not buy me out on a contract. Me and not have an agreement, because first they're supposed to buy me out of the contract. Or the contractual arrangement we are going with them is a mid-contract between FHM and them. You understand what I say? Me no business with that. Me not fight, you know. Me not quarrel, you know. Me lawyer. So, oh yeah, say, me bad mind, you know. Bad mind where you not talk about are like somebody rather somebody for something and a fight against. Me not fight against you. But it's beyond my interest to promote you. The fight where you are saying me a fight you because me not promote you, me not say your name or me not. It's a conflict of interest because I'm not benefiting anything from you. So me not have to talk about you or nothing. It's a big difference from bad mind in a youth. It's called a business. You understand what I say? It's called a business. And if we got business wise, even if me did put a injunction by a thing them and carry a court, it would be bad mind. It would have be business. Cause me and you have a contractual arrangement and you go outside of the contract, go sign contract with other people. Slow motion or with them name and then you and them part ways and you sign something else. You even have put them people that we are signed with you in a problem. So if me did bad mind, Kevin Powerful, big up yourself. If me did bad mind, me could have said, all right, enough to pay me and buy me out other 360 contract where I have with him. So fully bad, stop tell people say Foota Hype bad mind, you know.
See? Because you see them contract the way I talk about. You see, it's a dodgy thing. You see me I say? And for people who understand the music business, I wouldn't advise no youth who not establish to sign a contract like that. Cause me sure say fully bad never bring the contract there to a lawyer and a lawyer examine the contract there. And them sign the contract in front of a lawyer. You understand? Because based on what Foota Hype I say, it sound like him not fulfill theme obligation. And him a try to take himself away from it. Like him a try pull himself from the responsibility why him tie himself to. See, because the contract they look like one of them dodgy contract that we spot is almost like you see said that youth have potential, you know. See? It's almost like how you see some of the football agent them do. You see me I say? Them know say that youth are good in our community. Them just put up a nice little contract and sign him up and you understand, bring him through some little avenues. And now him go sign to a big club, them have to pay film agency or film, you understand, a big cut out of the whole thing. You see me I say? It sounds something like that. It's almost like Foota Hype see the product and him knows it's almost like him get a vibe say, yo, the youth him can bust, you know. And you know say if me have him in a one contract, any contract where him sign or anywhere him go, me have to get a piece of food out of why am I deal with it. See, I saw it look like to me, cause John was star. So this now it still seem like the whole question of whether someone is bad mind or not, it still no answer. Cause watch you now. You see, if Foota Hype are the boss and him are the done round the place, and you see if him see the potential in a fully bad, if he come become a new Dan and come run the place. You see, if you go impede that people go start to point out and say you're bad mind. Cause watch you have sabotage in a business. See? And that's how it seems like you are look. It's almost like you want trap the youth in a one arrangement and then you want sabotage any kind of progress what the youth go get. You understand? And if you look through them things there, you know, said them kind of things that make people ask if a bad mind. You see me I say? Them kind of things are bridging.
Stop tell people say Foota Hype bad mind and a fight you. Can me have the most powerful tool if you fight you, which is a contractual agreement signed by you and signed by me. Me have one copy in my safe at Jamaica. Me have one copy of me at Jamaica and somebody else have a copy. You understand what I say? So stop doing that, my youth. See? That's the first thing. So that eliminate all things about bad mind. Next thing, for bad mind a person when me spend millions of dollars upon and me never get back a cent yet.
Yeah. So as me said before, how is that possible? See? Cause a 360 contract, Foota Hype would have spend all of the money upon the youth career. Cause remember I said fully bad a little youth, and like and we see the interviews and the place where him bring up people and bring the people them through the community. And we see where we see where fully bad grow. And that's no secret. We can see it's a fully bad humble. Fully bad that come from a humble background. You see me I say? A poor people pitney. See? So him not have no big millions for spend on himself for go all about in a studio and dress himself and look the part and all of them things. You see it? I'm sure it's a fully bad Foota Hype. Him not dress the youth, him not buy clothes for the youth on a regular like a everyday, day-to-day vibes. You understand? Where every week the youth get a set of clothes. You understand? Me not think say nothing like that. Me feel like say I just when the youth probably have a show or any little, you understand, him have one show for go do and them kind of sitting there. So how much show you get the youth? Seeing cause that a part of the contractual arrangement what you have with him. You're supposed to get him shows. You're supposed to have merchandise. Cause are you the invest in him, so you are put out all of the means for get him out there and sell the product. So the product can generate enough revenue so you can recoup and the youth can live and feel alright same way too. You see it? And we never see none of that go on for fully bad. Yes, people know him. Yes, people see him about the place. But see him about the place and people know him. And him actually make some move in a business are two different things that. You see it? And what would have caused the youth for, as me say, sign to you and you the deal with all of the right things where you're supposed to deal with. What would have caused the youth for breach and go sign a contract with other people? What could have cost that?
Yet. Me never make 1 cent off a fully bad. No, let's be real. Me never make 1 cent off a fully bad. Not even 1 cent. When you hear, come in, I go mix up everybody, you know, and talk about everybody when me help already and when me do, and them never have no problem, you know. Zine? So, me not go bother that. Me go just talk about fully bad. And me not go talk about people around fully bad when me help, when not, when I'm not fully bad. Because the amount of help me help. Me don't even want to mention some of the people that I'm not in for. Me just want to talk about fully bad. Only if you ask fully bad, say, when Foota carry a road, you ever spend $1? You ever spend $1? When you have events where me get up at, and events where me book bus, buy torch, print t-shirt, do all these things, you ever put $1? Me like when people talk, but me not like when them lie. The youth say, upon one interview say, when him there around me, I be a suffer, him a suffer. One time I one pair of shoes him up. That lie there is very critical because you make all your mother look bad now. Your old lady will always send clothes sometime.
Link him and make him know say thing a boil up in the road certain way, like video light and them thing that they on me certain way, you see it. I'm gonna need some gears to touch up the image certain way, you see it. I say, I mean, man, we have fix things, man. And carry 10 grand come give me. 10 grand that I like for one shows. You see, bro? Yeah, that I like for one shows. But show me I get a youth and me have style. I just go downtown with the 10 grand. I'm stay so. Sometimes they have some cheap shows named Musty Vans or so. Them look chang cheap cloth shows there. Yeah. They buy one of them about 2.5 I buy it for. You see it? I'm gonna buy 1 pants. I'm gonna buy 2 shirt. Yes, 3 shirt I buy and 1 pants. The 1 pants I wear with the 3 shirt them. See, bro? So I stay son. Just up one day and I think them like, you know, and pull up around nice too. The man them a map me, you know. Yo, the dog look rich. Yo. The man them a map me, you know, father. You see it? Every day, them never realize say I see him black pants dog, you know. You see it, pray.
See it? You see why I say yes, sir, say the youth are making your mother look bad. Foota Hype a try to divert the whole vibration off of himself. See? Cause watch you now. This a no help thing, you know. Member say this man him run Foota Hype music, him a the CEO. See? And he signed a airtight 360 contract with the youth. See? So part of the contract is, as I said before, the contract is all about every revenue stream where fully bad have. All of the revenue stream where fully bad have. This man have a piece of the pie. See? So for example, you see if this song what them talk about, the song what name Everybody Bad. See? Foota Hype say that are the only hit what come out of the whole vibration with them. See? So me would then like to know differently still. Who own the publishing other song there? You see me I say? Who own the masters for that song there? Seeing cause then sitting here important, you know. Seeing cause as me say, all revenue stream whatever Foota Hype put in into the product, him go get it back through all of the revenue stream them. Seeing so if a dub plate do, Foota Hype have to get a piece of it. You see if a song do, Foota Hype probably own a piece of the masters and the publishing. See? If as a t-shirt sell, Foota Hype I go get a piece of it. So all of that investment there, a Foota Hype duty. Cause remember say fully bad now have nothing. See? But raw talent. This are this are what the youth have. So that are the product what him produce. You understand? For him thing is for come up with the songs are the songs we are gonna sell. But watch you now. Songs alone now sell. So Foota Hype have to find other means of for generate revenue round this product. See? So him say him get the youth pan shows and all of them things there. Him buy touch and him pay for bus and all of them things there are part of investment, part of what him have to do. This a part of film duty. You understand? Because film duty is to sell the product. See? In duty have to sell the product and then him get back in whatever him invest in it. And then can probably split the profit. You understand? So the youth can start to buy his own clothes. So Foota Hype now if you carry him around this a place here and carry him around that the place there. And you understand? So the youth can feel independent. You understand? And move like a man and feel like a man. You see it? So if them things then happen, what you think say go on? The youth go complain saying they suffer. See? And now you bring the youth old lady into it. Where you should ashamed for even bring the youth old lady into it. See? Because a part of your contractual arrangement, a part of your duty, you understand, for you ensure say the product is packaged properly and presented good on the market. See?
No, Mr. Chin, me have to talk because every interview him go up and him keep saying it and it kind of annoy me now and me just want to clear the ear and is a look at you to me rate said way so. Me just easy myself. Zine, watch this now. I want to talk it out before the new year come in and I don't want him aggravate me. You understand what I'm saying? Because he might do it, he might over. Whosoever I tell him to do that because that go work, it aggravate me now. Right? So watch this now. His mother, big up his mother. Can rate his mother. See? His mother always, at certain time of the year, send clothes for them. So when you go up and interview and tell people, say, there's a point him apart me a one pair of shoes, him have a you want have one pair of shoes then? Because his brother named Dynamus always have, go look on him brother named Dynamus page if him not always clean. When me I work with Fully Bad, me tell Fully Bad all the while, say, brother, here we go on. You see when the money start forwarding big, a Dynamus I go shop for you, know. Because Dynamus dress better and know if he put himself together better. Giant no business about clothes, Giant just wear clothes. His mother ever send a blazer for him or something. So how you come for an interview now and tell people about oh, you did have one shoes and suffer. That's a lie, my youth. Let me ask you a question now. Come and know you watch this, you know. I mean, know the whole of your family and your friend them watch this. I mean, now I'm going to be disrespectful to them. But that's like a point out some pointers for sure say, you're a wicked youth and you're one of the liest youth me ever know. How you know Tasha May? How you know Kiva? How you know Jesus down at Spencer's Tailoring and they store them in a Jesus place? No, me care you go buy clothes with? When me buy clothes from Tasha May, you ever put $1? Me ever owe Tasha May $1 for clothes for you yet? Me ever owe Kiva $1 for clothes for you yet? You ever put $1? If me if you calculate food and smoking alone for the time when me and you apart, it pass millions. See Tasha me a comment there, so me bring him a story come shop. You ever put $1? I like clothes them we buy and things. You ever put $1? People me tell you from the beginning, because the youth here tell some serious lie now. The youth here tell some serious lie. And he might become to be disrespectful now, and a disrespectful part me not gonna deal with. You understand me I say, dog? I go Clash Wednesday or Clash Thursday, whatever it was, popcorn them I keep. And I see him I do him thing. Remember, me never remember say him that look at youth where we know, from baby stage, Nick, Me never know say Nick. And them step to me when they step to me, I say, oh no. And he must say, me, man, Nick, man, man. And I say, Nick. And him say, yeah, man, West Coast stepson. Here we go now, West Coast, I'm my father brother. West Coast, I'm mother be mother. But my father and your uncle. You tell the next big lie again, my father and your uncle. See?
And then now, inspirations, when you are forward up, who you are listening to? No teacher, definitely one. And you're up on the goal, you see, after you hear your father.
Yeah, alright. I show you every. My father, I'm look sister, uncle, you know. He might like my uncle, you know, I call him Uncle David.
Word.
Yeah, you see it. Yeah, man, so I like family. So I grew up around them. You see me motivation forward from him to see him, you see it.
Yeah, me not feel like I said that big lie differently still. Cause as me say, and as we hear, Fully Bad did clear that up in a previous interviews. You see me I say, so me just think say one time him do that interview up on the gully side, and him say my father and your uncle. I just like, you understand? Cause enough of we call we elders uncle same way, and if you grow in a one way where you get treated, like, you understand? Him clearly say, and his sister uncle. See? So if you get treated in the same vibration the way you feel like I say my father treat you like you understand, a little nephew. You understand? A nephew that. You understand? A uncle that. You see it? Because me grew up and me call enough big man where treat we with certain amount of respect as little youth, and we have certain amount of respect for them same way. We call them uncle. You understand? Yeah, I saw it go.
They an interview and say, me, Foota Hype, O'Neal Thomas, are the reason make him a mother than a deal. Me can't say a wicked a liar than that. The man say, me are the reason make him a mother than a deal, when I'm me are the reason make mother don't even talk to you on phone. Remember you have to left the place. Because them say, be a follow you go on in that community and them a blame you when me know never you. But because you associate with man where have do violation in the place. And singer say him no want to see him, no want to hear. Real long at the BMW mechanic down at Kesha Park. Take up my phone and call singer. And say, singer, Fully Bad me there in a rope, you know. And the man say, you don't want to chat to him, you know. And me I say, no, remember my youth and the thing I for work. You don't know what them are saying. Them are saying do, him not do. I'm back a thing. My little brother did dead, the mechanic did dead. I'm my mother that talk for about an hour on the phone. So how you come now and tell people say, I'm me are the reason why you answering on the deal? Me?
Yeah. It seems like there's a backstory to that argument, and probably them no want to go too deep for the public. Kind of know some things. Yeah, so what Foota Hype I say yes differently still. Me not sure say it clear nothing still, you know. Cause me know said there's a backstory to this. This he kinda too vague.
He make singer even man singer. He singer him uncle, right? So-called uncle. You ever see singer say nothing about Fully Bad? You ever see singer call up Fully Bad on a stage? You ever see singer even do a collab with Fully Bad? You ever see mother them mention Fully Bad ever in her life? But you gotta tell people say me make you sing on a deal. Me make you sing on a deal. Sing on a like you from morning. I know me cause nothing me make you and sing a talk from phone. So if you say that, that's another lie. Not show no other youth a lie. The man, what him say again? This is one of the things where everybody I try sorry for him for and him I use as a sympathy. See? The man say, me drive left in my country. Listen to this now. Watch this now. Watch this now, Mr. Chin. Because I don't want to do talk, I want to do more listening and that. Because I regularly them give me a basket for care water when all me do I help them, you know. Alright, if Foota Hype so bad mind, why when Foota come for help you know? Zine?
Yo, you see what me not like with most people differently still. Them always conflate help with like them a do a business, them a do a investment, but yet they make it seem like I say a help them a help. You see it? When time clearly him I not just help him a help, cause remember there's a contract. You understand? And certain obligation did have to carry out in a contract. You see me I say? So some of the things them where Foota Hype I make it seem like I say a help. It look like I say him want make it seem like him when they carry out a charity program and Fully Bad when just a benefit from it as a you understand?
Why when Foota come for help you know? Zine? Why when Foota come for help you know, you say, yo, Foota, you're bad man, I don't want to help from you. You accept the help and then when you reach violation stage, you try to make it look bad for me. Zine? The man say me drive left in my country. Zine Cornelius, listen this. A some fest me I do. Remember you know, some fest me I do. Me no need Fully Bad them for go some fest. But me youth them want them see the world, want them see things, want them experience these things. Zine? Some fest got up and give me 2 rooms. I must say I be your star or secret. One of them hotel there. You know them top hotel there, them give me 2 rooms. Baba, you know my style. Me and my catty and the police security, because enough people know my thing. When I go on road, I go with armed security. So me hear my lot talk about something say, him and film, look at you, them come defend me. Oh, if you defend a man, you carry armed security everywhere, you know. License firearm and armed security, they run all the time. I'm a pay them and a beg thing. Me not stupid, me not walk up and down with no gunman. We reach a mobile. Remember them not drive with me now. Me drive with me catty and me drive with me armed security. Zin? Them in my next car. Because me never have one car yet. Zin? Me never have one car yet. My brother have the next car. Fully Bad and Fame, 2 brother and my brother drive in that car. And I think one next, one you. Zin? Remember me I stay me no remember good if I be a star or secret, but me I stay one of the resort them. Remember, out of my pocket.
Yo, member say we not stop said. Remember say the youth is contracted to fully Foota Hype. Seen? And Foota Hype make it seem like I say him bringing the youth to some fest is not part of promoting the product was signed to him. Seen? We must remember that, you know, just pay attention to that. And remember it, keep that in mind.
Remember, out of my pocket, me take money and book room for them and them a different hotel. I went into my pocket, take my money, and book room for them. You ever hear somebody a parrot foot and a sleep in a car and a sleep on beach side and sleep on roadside? Never. I book room for them. And listen to me good now. Can talk a story and tell be a lie, you know. Say me drive left you. Me never drive with you. Only now no one vehicle, which is my vehicle, but a phone vehicle. My brother park. Uno under my regime, but uno do no one thing. Me over the resort in the morning, see? When me over the resort and wake up, my phone a blow off. When my phone a blow off and me answer, my brother and Finn brother jump off. See? Be a nice mirror in the background. I said, dog, gonna build one I do. A people business place in a rare. See? Yeah, me not try to stop people from knowing Mr. Chin. I have to set the record straight because the youth is a liar. I'm in a business if more people want to know him. Him to stop tell lie, brother. Zin, I go to boom and drive, go over for them hotel. Where them there. When I go over the hotel, the man them out the door in a big argument. Dynamo's quiet, fully bad quiet. Giant and my brother go at it. Loud. Me I drive on Q7 RD. And the car where them have there. So me go somewhere and come out of my vehicle and I talk to them. Two man them I go out. So me I say, oh me there now as it done. And still I do this. Zin, the whole hotel come out in a brother. People I look through window, everything cause this come like a brawl. Remember me, know all this go. A people business place, a police I go come next you know. So me say to my brother, say, yo, I want to pay me there a bill. And my brother Bill and lock off. Him can't talk to Giant. Zin? So, Giant a go off steam we are rare. I say, Giant, cool na dog, rup. Because your brother and my brother. Nothing can happen. No fight can go on. We can't kill one another. Because I'm my artist, and I'm me a general, and I'm my brother here. That's just done right there, so. You know the man them not stop. So what you think me do now, Baba? Me say, alright, here we are going. Me a cut you because uno not here and uno not listen. Uno have no one vehicle, uno have this, that. Rup, give them gas money, give them rent, gone about my business. When me reach, me remember when me reach, fully a call me. Say my brother throw them out of the car. So me get mad. Come here say, oh my brother for throw the artist. Here how the man throw him out of the car. Giant, see him one now listen, fully can't talk to him. My brother drive, the man they behind my brother like a threaten him, say must stab him or whatever they might threaten say. I don't know the words for words and still a cuss. So the man say him not trust Giant behind him head back. So the man said Giant fi come out of him vehicle. The man said Giant fi come out of him vehicle. Fully now I say him can't left him brother roadside, which is true. So him decide, say him and Diana must have come out with them, brother. Then what that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? Uno a par, uno have to start out on the thing. Then you never drive in my vehicle, uno not drive with me. Uno not respect my authority. And then Giant are your responsibility and you can't talk to Giant. You understand me? I say? So that's the story there. But him come tell people, say, Foota Hype drive left in my country. How me drive left in your country? Only never sleep out a door. Only never hungry. Only never short of gas. You want to hear better than that? Or him not telling you the truth, say. When him come out of the car, and me, Western Union money go give him. When my brother, when me if you tech side with, and no business you don't know, do what him do. Me still Western Union money go give you. So you can reach where you go and Giant them. I remember say a Giant a violate. Oh, you not tell the people them that. So you know say when Foota brother say Giant to come out I can't come out, a Foota still send money come give me. Oh, you know say that. People, the youth here, attack a bag of thing dog. Zine. How much money Foota spend on liquor place and trust liquor and Western Union people them money? Mr. Chin, quiet now man. Some attention is needed, man. The youth are to lie. How him do after champs fet and them something there? How you do it? And me get up on them show there. You ever pay for a bus load of people we go with them nowhere? When my brother and them jump off and him come out of the car, I never night. That are the next morning. Remember me do some fest the night before, this are the morning after.
Foota Hype now. How me and him stop connect. We got Mobile. You see it? Mobile, street dance. Some street dance.
Okay.
Yeah, Foota Hype, they book feed. So me and my blood brother, them go and film blood brother. 2 separate car. You see it? So, Foota Hype brother and my big brother catch up. Big argument. You see it? Foota Hype vex I go tell me if I talk to them. And cut left way. Remember say a film brother, you know, and my brother. Now him fi talk to film brother and me talk to my brother. Me talk to my brother and the dog easy and a bill. Film brother, cause him brother have some little girl style about him like girly. You hold a cassava piece can tell him gally, like him chasey. My last one say him worse than Foota Hype. Worse than Foota Hype, you see me? Yeah, so I him mash up everything. He met me on Foota Hype a link and I him mash up everything, you see it?
Yeah, people, so we gotta just cut it right there so for the moment. You see me I say, and yeah, cause yeah, basically them things him really I said the youth a lie upon him about. You see it? So really the timing important because fully bad when him tell the story about them leaving him in a Montego Bay, we never really know if him get left at the hotel or him get left at the showground. You understand? We never too certain. Cause yeah, him went kinda sketchy with that part of the story. So that important for we know where the actual quarrel went go on, and you understand why him probably did leave out the parts him brother try to attack fully bad Foota Hype brother in I car and I threaten him saying go stab him and them kind of things. Seen? So I guess fully bad need to clear up the part there so people get a better clarity. That's still, but some of the things them where Foota Hype claim say the youth are the greatest liar and all of them sit there. Me no really see. You understand? Me are bigger liar than that from from other people. You understand? We are bigger liar than from other people. See, you see it? So yeah, fully bad say him talk to him brother and him brother Bill. Now Foota Hype say him talk to him brother and him brother Bill. You understand? It sound sketchy still. You see it. I don't know if Foota Hype fully clear up this or it hungle left more question than answers still. You see me I say? Yeah man, so we give thanks and we hope say the one them find the video interesting, you see, because you understand. So we want to say give thanks and blessed love. We want to say Happy New Year again. And you understand? To all of the subscriber them just click the like button same way too. And share the video with your friends same way too. You see it and want to say give thanks and you understand. Much love. Rastafari.